Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to do uppercase words on Excel, and as well this method will work on Google Sheets if you're using Google Sheets, right? And it's simple and easy to do that. So the first thing what you need to do here is to select the cell that you want to basically convert do uppercase words, and then you need to write equal sign, rounded bracket, and then upper, right? And select this one. Upper converts a specified string to uppercase. Select this one, and then select the word that you want to use as a uppercase, and press enter. And as you can see here, it's uppercase now. And if you want to do all the words, what you need to do here is to select this cell, and then go on cells bottom right, and as you can see here, hover your mouse on this little square and basically hover, select the square and basically drag it down. And as you can see here, all words converted to uppercase ones, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.